Have you seen these adorable AI Labubu dolls blowing up online? Yup, this is Labubu AI, and today I'll show you how you can make your very own in seconds. Labubu AI is an online tool that lets you create cute, custom versions of the Labubu character using AI. Just type a prompt like Pirate Labubu or Labubu in space, and it generates an image instantly. It's fan-made and popular for making wallpapers, profile pics, and videos. Where to find it? Just go to yce.perfectcorp.com. How to use Labubu AI? Click Generate. Then in the left side, you see a lot of categories. You can choose what you want. In the right side, enter your prompt, for example, cute Labubu with bunny ears. Then choose your templates. I choose 3D cartoon, then click Generate. Then look at this result. It's cute, futuristic, and 100% AI generated. You can download your Labubu, use it as a profile picture, wallpaper, or even animate it for videos. Perfect for fans and creators. Let's talk about the pricing. Choose your premium plan, Plus or Pro. For Plus, it has $3.33 yearly and $9.99 monthly. For Pro, it has $5.83 yearly and $19.99 monthly. So what are you waiting for? Go make your dream Labubu and tag your friends to see who creates the cutest one. Link in the description. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.